Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today I'm going to discuss the technical parts of the market. So I'm very excited. The market has pumped a little bit. So let's see if the market's going to keep rising or if the market is going to fall. So let's go ahead and check out our analysis. So I'm just going to pop up our window. Let's go to TradingView. This is the app I always use. And let's go see the chart of Bitcoin. Well, we see that Bitcoin has risen or has been bullish over the last days. And that's been quite good news because we were in a kind of a range here. This pattern fits better in the weekly chart. So let's go to the weekly charts. And there you see that Bitcoin has made a pattern. And this pattern was quite strong. So what is possible is that Bitcoin will seek a little bit lower to test as floor, and then to be able to go up. So what will the market do? What I think the market will do is a retest a bit, maybe make a wick until here, and then go up further like this. So I think that is one big possibility because of this pattern has been broken, and when a pattern breaks, mostly the market retests. So I think there might be a wick or a test in the future. So watch out if you want to, if you're leveraging, watch out for retests. But if you want to still invest, I think around the 600K is a great time to invest with Bitcoin. Although as it is not sure that the market is going to fall before it's going to rise, it should be better for the market, because if the market takes it a little bit slow in order to gain some strength and then rise again, then we will see a nicer, more solid bullish move. So make sure that you invest at the right times. And when Bitcoin goes up, of course, you take some gains along the way, because that's really, really important. So in the weekly chart, we have two very strong candles from the two previous weeks. Now we have a small candle and we are bumping into a resistance. So this is a resistance. No. Voila. This is resistance. We need to break through resistance in order to go higher. But I think first, this was resistance before. You can see that. I think he will first make a support out of his resistance before he can go any higher. But that's all to see what the market does and how volatile the markets are. But I think there's a great possibility for that to happen. So in the daily charts, we see indeed that we are 3 days stuck beneath this resistance level. We are testing that level. So if we don't get over it, I think we're first going to retest the zone of 44.6. So keep your eyes open. There's a lot of opportunities in the market. There's a lot of big gains to be made. Just keep your eyes open and keep your eyes on the price. I think working with orders on Binance is a very, very good thing to do. If you don't know how to do it, we teach it in our academy. It is very simple to put in orders, but it's not so simple to know where to put the order. And I think the 44,600 is just beautiful. It depends if we get there. If we don't get there, then we will go higher, of course. It is nice to see because the market was suppressed for a long time, and now there's some breath that the market can take. So that's really, really good. Let's look at the total market cap. The total market cap made a nice pattern too on a daily base. So we made a triangle. We broke this downtrend and we retested the downtrend in order to go higher right now. So what I also see is the same thing I see with Bitcoin, is that we have a resistance level right here. Voila. We have a resistance level and we have here our support level. We have some support levels in between, which I didn't draw because these are my daily, weekly levels. But I think there's a zone right here, 1.9. So I think when Bitcoin will retest, the market will retest a little bit too, because they're also bumping into their resistance. And like you can see, the moving average 200 is as a meaning as a resistance. So he's using this line as a resistance. So I hope he will gain some more strength. But first, I hope the market retests so we can finish this and go higher. So I always like to see the market retest, because when it goes too high too fast, we bounce back. So it's better to go solid than to go too slow. It's better to go slower than too fast. Yeah. So with Ethereum, we see quite the same thing. So we had a downtrend here that has been broken. We saw a lot of green days. Ethereum is way more on the bullish side than Bitcoin even. Also, Ethereum has another pattern. We see that there has been like a wedge, like a flag. So Ethereum is aiming for this upside of the flag. Of course, it's not going to happen in the first days. It's possible, but I think the market will rise systematically, very chill. And then let's hope that he breaks out here to make higher highs. Would be very, very nice. But right now, if the market retests, maybe 3K would be a very nice retest. But I have no idea if this is going to happen. If it happens, it's a nice opportunity to buy. So around the 3K is a very nice opportunity to buy. And then we have all these small coins. So a lot of people are asking me, is it still the right time to buy? And yeah, just put the chart on weekly. Then every candle is 1 week. Zoom out. And there you can see your opportunity. There's so much opportunity left in the market. It is so important to just check it out and keep watching like the big charts, the big time frames, because that gives you a lot of perspective. Also, like with Litecoin and stuff, like a lot of coins have so much opportunity still, like Ripple too. Like everybody's like, oh, Ripple's on the rise, but it's still not even $1 for a Ripple. So it's really, really cheap. And I think when the markets will settle a little bit, that you get great opportunities with the altcoins, like you have seen with Zilliqa. So this is the kind of pump we're looking at, and this is quite crazy. So for the last 2 weeks, Zilliqa has been pumping quite enormously. So this is a 250% rise. If you say we bought there, actually, or 282% rise. So this is quite beautiful. And this is just in the last 2 days, the 2 weeks, excuse me. So it is a great value. And there's a lot of value in these altcoin markets. You just have to know when to buy the right coins and what the right coins are. But once you know that, you're lifted off. So with Zilliqa, there was so much opportunity in Zilliqa. We kept saying it at this green zone. I triggered my students to buy. A lot of people did, and a lot of people already have their gains. So if you look at these other coins, there's still so much opportunity for the same thing to happen. It's not going to happen every time right now, but there's a lot of opportunity for it to happen. So just be patient with your cryptocurrencies, be grateful, think about your mindset, think about what you want to do with your life, what you want to do with your money. Don't focus on the money only, and good things will come. The cryptocurrency has a lot of new things coming up this year. A lot of banks are already working with cryptocurrency. There's so much new inside information, and this is just gonna make 22 a very good year, I think. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I see you next time. Ciao.